In this video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and edit the FF&E or furniture, fixtures, and equipment in PowerPoint. Now, what I have here is the reception area floor plan here, as well as the um, series of specification sheets, also known as cut sheets, for the items in the reception area. Now, in order to complete this next step, you have to either have memorized the furniture key designations for these items so that you know which ones are go where from over here on this side's document, or you have to reopen the furniture plan and insert it again, just temporarily. Now, I actually recommend doing the latter because we really don't want to depend on our memory when we're doing such important documents like this. So I'm going to hit insert on this device, and then I'm going to go ahead and just grab this furniture plan right here. And so you can see that I'm going to just crop this over and put it to the side. Once again, this is really just to jog my memory so that I don't make any mistakes. But this is going to be deleted in just a few minutes. So I'm going to start with the items over here in the top center. So we'll go ahead and look first for F-10A. And so as I told you earlier, I'm going to scroll down here until I see that key designation next to the furniture piece. Now from here, I can do two things. I can take a screenshot of this image and put it over here. Or if it ends up that the resolution isn't very good, then I can go back to the website where these pieces were found, or simply do a Google search for the item information that's provided here, and I can get a better picture online. For us, though, remember that this is just like a little cheat sheet or a visual aid to install these pieces of furniture by a mover or an assistant into the job site. So really high quality images are not completely necessary. We just need something that's clear enough to see. So what I will do to help our case here is zoom in a little bit, and then I'm going to take a screenshot. So for me, I hit my print screen button on my keyboard, and then I can select the image, and then I click where I want to place it, and I hit Control V. Now I'm going to resize it here, and I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to do the same thing now for F14. And it doesn't really matter. You can do this in numerical order, or you can do this in, you know, top right and kind of go around in a circle, however you want. It's just important that you have some kind of system that makes sure that you don't miss any pieces of furniture. So once again, I'm doing my print screen. I'm zooming in. I'm grabbing that image and I'm hitting Control V to paste, and I'm resizing these. Next, I'm going to look for F9, which we know is at the very top because when I created this PDF, I made sure to put them in order. And I'm going to once again do my print screen. Control V. And what I want you to start to envision as you're seeing where I'm placing these things is eventually we're going to do arrows, or what we call in the profession leader lines. And we're going to connect the shape on the floor plan to the image of the furniture piece. And so you're starting to see how I'm trying to orient these things so that they're going to be clear and not have overlapping arrows. Next, I'm going to go find F17. So scrolling down once again. Print screen, or take my screenshot. Come over here, Control V for paste. And then lastly, I will find F27. So the next thing I'm going to do is just take, I don't know, 10 or 15 seconds to verify that every piece of furniture that's keyed on this floor plan is represented on my presentation, and then I can delete this unnecessary floor plan. So now you can see how to insert screenshots for items that are keyed on a floor plan and crop and resize them.